Hi family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we'll be washing these shoes, we'll be cleaning them, and we'll be taking them back to their original white color. Not really original, but their white color. Okay, they have mud, so we're going to be cleaning them firstly using Domestos. It's a thick bleach and also a handy Andy, which is a vanishing cream. And yeah, we have to just we're also going to need a baking powder throughout the process, but we're not going to use it right now, so we're just going to put it aside. Okay, so going fast forward, we're going to have to remove the shoelaces, and we have to mix the handy Andy and the Domestos all together, the vanishing cream and the thick bleach all together, and then we're just going to have to scrub all over the shoe before we wash them. So all the thing that can all go inside. All the what the mixture is it a mixture? Yeah, all the mixture can all go inside. So we're gonna put on some water for a wash. We have to wash them first before we can put our paste. I'll show you guys how we mix our paste after we've washed them. So after washing my shoes, I'm gonna put them outside for like 20 minutes while I prepare my mixture. In my mixture, my paste, I'll be using a lemon juice, original lemon juice, and also I'll be mixing it with my baking powder. We're making a paste that we're going to be applying on the shoes, so we're going to mix baking powder, and we also need a toothpaste. Please make sure that your toothpaste is all white. Don't use any toothpaste with colors like green, that is like a green color or maybe a pink color, whatever. Make sure that it's all pure white. Any brand is okay. Okay, so we're gonna mix all together and mix all together. After we mix, we're gonna apply on our shoes. Right, and guys, use your old toothbrush. Okay, don't use something that you're gonna be using or something that you're using. Use something that you don't use anymore, something like an old toothbrush. Okay, okay, so after we're done, we're just gonna need a roll paper, tissue paper. We're going to need this to cover our shoe so that it doesn't leave stains on the shoe. Hours before it fully dries, we remove the tissue and remove the toilet paper or the rolling paper. And we are doing this because we are avoiding the shoe to dry with the tissue, because it will stick on, like on the shoe, the tissue will start automatically lipstick on the shoe, so we're avoiding that situation. So after 4 hours, make sure that you just remove your papers. Okay. So after we're done, we're just gonna let them dry, and this is our end results when they dry. From this to this. Wow, guys. Okay, we've done a great job. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.